Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to talk about landfilling. Landfilling is a process in which solid waste is placed in a landfill. Landfill is a site used for disposal of the waste materials. It is the oldest and most common method of waste disposal. So let's talk about it in detail. Now let's understand what is landfilling. Landfilling is a traditional method of waste disposal, and it is the dumping of waste in carefully designed pits that are constructed into or onto the top of the ground. Actually, the purpose of it to isolate the waste from the surrounding environment. That is to isolate the waste from the air, water, soil so that they do not get contaminated with the toxic materials that are present in the waste. The proper isolation of the waste from the surrounding is brought about by lining the bottom with a material lining and covering the landfill site with properly with soil. And in the landfill the waste becomes highly compact and also do not decompose much. And today many steps have been taken to ensure that landfills can be used more economically and in more environment friendly way. Organic waste in the landfill sites decomposes slowly and it generates gases like methane, which is used to generate electricity. Types of landfills. There are four main kinds of landfills, and these are sanitary landfills, municipal solid waste landfills, construction and demolition waste landfills, and industrial waste landfills. Sanitary landfill. This is the technology that isolates the waste materials from the environment so that harmful effects of the waste do not affect the environment. It prevents the leaching out of the hazardous substances to the ground and also prevent the waste to get come in contact with the air. The pit in which trash is dumped that is protected by making lining of clay, and that lining is impervious so that no any material can move towards the ground. And here the trash is buried in layers, and that trash is compacted or compressed so that it is converted into more uh, more more strengthened solid. And here the alternate layers of the trash and soil are prepared so that the decomposition of the waste can take place efficiently. It allows the safe decomposition of the waste, and mainly the municipal waste are disposed of by using such kind of landfills. Thus we can say that sanitary landfill is the very safe way to dump the municipal waste, and it completely isolate that kind of waste from the environment. Municipal solid waste landfills. This type of landfill is used to collect all the household garbage, and the guidelines that regulate the municipal solid waste landfill composition, these are state and local governments, and the dumping of waste is done in these landfills according to their guidelines. And some of the materials have been banned to get disposed into the municipal solid waste landfills. These are paints, cleaners. These are those household items which are hazardous, and like paint, cleaners, chemicals, motor oil, batteries, pesticides, and all that. And a municipal solid waste landfill uses a synthetic plastic liner to isolate the trash from the environment. Thus, here also isolation is done so that harmful or hazardous substances do not get come in contact with the ground or to cause the soil pollution, also do not come in contact with the air and all that. Construction and demolition waste landfills. These are also named as C and D landfills. In these landfills, the waste materials that generates due to the activities which are involved in construction and demolition, like that of constructing buildings, renovations, demolitions of the buildings, bridges, etc. And such kind of materials are like concrete, wood, asphalt, gypsum, metals, bricks, and all that. Industrial waste landfills. These are those landfills in which the waste that is dumped is non hazardous kind, or the non hazardous or non harming waste that generates due to the manufacturing or other industrial activities in the industries. Such kind of waste is dumped into industrial waste landfills. Now here is the schematic diagram of landfill. The area that has to be used as a landfill is filled with the waste as a single well-defined cell, and landfill liner is used to line it properly. And during landfill site operation, the liquid that is known as leachate is produced. It is actually a mixture of organic degradation products, liquid waste, and rainwater. It has high organic carbon content, high concentration of nitrogen, and it is usually slightly acidic. And when the growth of landfill is at its maximum capacity, that is when up to maximum level it is filled, it is covered, and once covered, then gases are directed to the pipes or vents that are penetrated inside. The typical gases that are produced by municipal solid waste landfill are methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, ammonia, and the methane that is generates it is used for the generation of electricity. The leachate that forms that is treated further in the leachate treatment system and all that. Advantages of landfilling. This is inexpensive method of waste disposal. That method create jobs at the local level where these landfills have been created. It provides financial security to to that locality, and there are lot of type of waste that can be disposed of by the process of landfilling, like industrial waste, domestic waste, and all that. In that is better as compared to other waste disposal methods, and the gases that are given off by the landfill site, these gases can be collected and further can be used for generating power. So these are the different advantages of landfilling. Disadvantages of landfilling. Sometimes dangerous gases may be given off from the landfill sites, and that may contaminate the air of that region, and may also contribute to global warming, because mostly the gas that releases out, that is methane, and that is a greenhouse gas. And sometimes leaching of toxins may also takes place up to the ground level, that may contaminate the groundwater of the region. And once a site that has been used as a landfill cannot be further used for redevelopment, because it may become very much polluted, and the site where all the waste materials are dumped, that site looks ugly, and all that. References for this presentation are. Thank you.